Hi, this is Rosie Flugel. I want to share with you how you can create a graded Canvas quiz so that you can hide your inactive student. So let me walk you through that. So here I've got my title and my instructions started. In this case, we are going to use a graded quiz. Okay, and it's really important that you uncheck the sync to Skyward box. Make sure you uncheck that because it's the DCA. It's not assigned any points, any grade. So we want to take that check mark off, and then you can keep your settings the same. Go to questions, of course, create your question. I'm going to change the points to 0. Don't forget to do that. And let's just put a simple question. Donald J. Trump is our POTUS. True or false? Let's make this a true or false. Make it easy. There you go. Okay, so I've got our quiz created. I'm going to save and publish. And then I'm going to come back and show you, once I have a student take the quiz, what it's going to look like on your end. Alrighty, so now that I've created my quiz, typically with a DCA or a daily check-in activity quiz, we go to moderate this quiz so we can get a quick glance at who's taking it. But notice we have everyone that's ever been in our course, and I'm going to jump over to people, and you'll notice that James Harden here, he's listed in my course, but he is indeed an inactive student. So when I have a lot of inactive students, it can clutter up that moderate this quiz page, making it difficult for teachers to find their active students. So an alternative is, of course, to create that graded quiz. You can assign 0 points. And then if you go over here on the left-hand menu, you'll find grades. I'm going to click there. And it'll bring up the Canvas gradebook. And in columns, you will see all of your assignment, anything that has grades. And here's my DCA that we just created. And I can tell at a glance, James, my inactive student, is no longer listed here. So they've decluttered the gradebook with those inactive students. And I can see that Princess Alice did take the quiz. Ella Cinder did not. So at a glance, I can tell who did and who didn't complete the activity. You can also choose to add a point as long as you remember to not sync with Skyward so it doesn't affect your grade book. That way you can tell whether, in addition to taking the quiz, whether they got the question incorrect or correct. So if you find value in that, you might want to assign a point after all. That's it. That's how you can hide your inactive students in your Canvas gradebook. If you have questions, let me know. I hope this helps.